What's going on? Mike Hobbs here, and a question we get all the time is how many emails should we have in our autoresponder set up to go out to our leads when they opt into our email list? Now, this advice is going to work for any autoresponder that you're using. I'm talking Aweber, Getresponse, ActiveCampaign, Contact, Trafficwave, and you name it. If it's an autoresponder and it has the ability to put an email series in there, then this video is for you. So here's the advice that I want to give you. A lot of people will tell you you need this huge autoresponder series. In fact, in our company, we even give people 50 different emails that they can upload to their autoresponder if they want. But here's the thing. I have been marketing since 2007 online, and the most I've ever had in my autoresponder series is 2 emails. And we're talking millions of dollars in commissions and 2 emails in my autoresponder series. Does that mean I don't email my leads? No, that does not mean that. What I'm saying is the idea of thinking that you need a lot of autoresponders is actually false, because here's what ends up happening. If everybody in a company joins a company and then they give you this 7 email autoresponder series and everybody in that company is using the same emails, do you really think they're going to get to know you, like you, trust you in any way? Because everyone's using the same copy. Everyone's pitching. Everyone's just saying, hey, go here, buy this, buy this, buy that. And that's what typically the autoresponders say. So let me show you my screen real quick. And as you can see, this is my autoresponder series. And if I go to, here's one of the businesses that we promote. This is literally how complicated my autoresponder series is. It's 2 emails. Okay, we've got the email that gives them what they opted in for, the information that they requested, because when they give you your name and email, you want to give them what they requested. And then I have a personalized email, and I'll just show you a quick copy of what this one looks like. And this is how simple it is. It's basically giving them a link right back to the business that they have. And then I tell a little bit of a story about myself. I show them how they can contact me if they need help, and then my contact information at the bottom. And that's literally the second email. And it's just really just an email for people to get to know me a little bit better. And that's it. That's how simple you can make your autoresponder series. And then here is where you need to actually do some work. Okay. So a lot of people try to do these autoresponder series because they want to do as little work as possible. But I'm going to tell you, your email list is your number one asset as an internet marketer. And so you have to treat it like that, and you have to treat them like gold, and you have to actually deliver value to these people. So when you do a YouTube video, like this video right now that I am shooting, I am going to email this video to my leads, and they're going to get value on this video, and then they're going to hopefully like me a little bit more, just a little bit more. And that's the idea. You want to send your list value, and then you'll have a call to action to the business that you're promoting, either in the video or in the email, in the PS line, or somewhere in the email. And it's important that you just stay in contact with your email list every week. So as long as you are broadcast emailing your list at least 1 to 2 times a week or more, then you don't need an autoresponder series. If you are never, so here's the exception, if you are never emailing your leads, then there's an argument that maybe you should have an autoresponder series, because something is better than nothing. And I'll give you this one last piece of advice. A lot of people are like, okay, how do I get better open rates in my emails? The most important thing for your open rates is the name that it's coming from. A lot of people don't realize that. So if you just have this huge autoresponder series and it's just pitch, never giving any value, never broadcasting what's going on in your life, do you really think they're going to care about your name? They're going to look at your name and they're going to click spam and they're going to delete it, or they're just going to ignore it. If you deliver value to these people, there's people who joined me in my business from years ago. And so that is the most important thing. And I even had someone email me the other day. They're like, Wow, this is so true. That advice, because I said the same advice to him. And he's like, that's so true because whenever you email, I just open it regardless of the subject line. I was just like, okay, there's an email from Mike. I'm opening it. And that is what you want. You want them to know your name when you're emailing them. You want them to like your emails and open them and read them and go through them, consume them, go to your content. And that is how you really build an email list. So delete all your autoresponders, focus on broadcast emails, focus on value to your email list, and you're going to go a lot farther. So if you'd like to see more about our business and how to get more coaching from me, I actually do a Zoom every day, Monday through Friday, and we help and we coach our team members. So go to seekprosperity.com to find out more about that. Make it a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.